Given that fx is equals to negative 1 over 3 x cubed plus x squared plus 3x plus 1, for what value or values of x is the function increasing? Now, whenever you have a question that they're asking you where is your function increasing, how we normally get it is by getting the derivative, but not just getting the derivative. We need to say our derivative is greater than 0. Now, the part that it is greater than 0 is the part that it is increasing. And you kind of guessed it, although we don't need it for this question. But the part that is less than 0 is the part that is decreasing. Okay, so that's exactly how you get it, right? So as I said, this is not so important, so let me just clean this off. So fully focusing on this, we get the derivative of this, right? So the derivative of fx would be now we said that this would be greater than 0. Okay, so this is now an inequality problem. So to solve inequalities, we need to factorize this. So to help me factorize this, I will bring out a negative. The critical values for this would be negative 1 and 3. We'll put this into a number line to help us find the value for x. Okay, so I'm going to draw a little straight line here, and on this number line I'm going to substitute negative 1 and I'm going to put 3. Now, since this is a parabola, a quadratic equation, but it's a negative quadratic equation, we understand that if I draw just a sketch, our parabola looks like that. Our parabola has to be greater than 0. So just like in the previous question, I said that this inequality line is y is equals to 0. So everything above it would be y is greater than 0. So I'm going to shade the part above it, meaning that I'm just focusing on that piece over there. So this part is the only part that y is greater than 0. So our answers would actually just be, so the part of our function that would be increasing will be from x is negative 1 to 3. And that's your answer.